Meaning of execution.
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 Execution. Execution refers to the act of carrying out or completing a plan, decision, or task. It involves putting a plan into action and achieving the desired outcome. Successful execution requires clear communication, effective organization, and efficient implementation. The result of successful execution is the completion of the intended task or project, which may include meeting specific goals, delivering a product or service, or achieving a desired outcome. Poor execution can result in delays, cost overruns, and failure to achieve the intended result, while effective execution can lead to success and improved outcomes.